Hey guys, DHG here from Plomor. In our past video, we shared the 3-port roof light housing for the new LC250 and we got a ton of feedback. A lot of you were asking about the actual installation and wiring, which we didn't dive into last time. So today, not only am I showing off this upgraded 4-port model, but we are also focusing on a full step-by-step install. I want to show you how this setup flows with the LC250's design and really completes that rugged tactical look. Let's look at this product. This 3-port version looks wider than the 3-port, so it lines up perfectly with the LC250's wide body fender flares. It's got sharper lines but keeps the same aerodynamic shape to cut down on wind noise. For the material, we are using high-stress ABS, which is great for weathering and impact. This setup features 4 light ports, each with 6 high-intensity LEDs. At 3 watts per LED, we are looking at a total output of 72 watts. Step 1. Mounting. We used 1:1 3D scans of the LC250 roof to make sure the base fits the factory curves perfectly. For mounting, we use heavy-duty 3M automotive tape. That means zero drilling and no cutting into your LC. Step 2. Wiring. The routing is pretty straightforward. You can chuck the wires into the gap along the A-pillar and run them down the windshield edge straight into the engine bay. No need to tear apart your interior panels, it's super clean. Step 3. Connection. It's a stand-up setup, positive to the fuse box and negative to a ground point. If you are a DIYer, you can easily handle this. Plus, it comes with a Bluetooth remote, so you can switch modes right from the driver's seat. Out on the road, this thing is rock solid. Even on bumpy trails, there's no rattling or loosening at the mounting points. Check out the visibility now. Once it's on, the shadows soften up and obstacles really pop. If you are into camping, these 4 light sources work great as an auxiliary lighting for your campsite. Modes shouldn't break your car, they should feel like an extension of it. At Plomor, we want to give you a setup that looks like a factory option but performs like hardcore off-road gear. We are offering 10% off for first-time buyers. If you have any question during the install, drop a comment or DM us. For more LC250 builds, head over to Plomor.com. I'm DHG. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.